I don't even know why I'm making this video. You can see how the something is. The visibility is just so poor.
Hi guys, good morning. So I want this to be the start of a new vlog. I'm leading up to, I don't know when it's going to end. Today is Sunday. What date is it today again? I think the 14th. It's the day of the Lord. But I have a first aid training I was scheduled for today. But the weather has been bad this week, so I wrote to them to cancel and to reschedule for next week Saturday when the weather will be a bit good. By that time, I think it will be about minus 20. See me saying that minus 20 is good, but it's better than minus 36, which is this morning. It's currently minus 36, which feels like minus 42. But they said I would have to pay $56. I just told them, you know what? I know they do. I'll come. But they reduced the money, so it now came down to $26. However, I still decided to attend this morning. I still decided to go for it this morning, and I woke up very early. I dressed up, I kitted up. Like, this is not what I'm wearing a sweater inside. I'm wearing this on. There's a hoodie there, which I've taken off because of the heat. Then my long winter jacket, then my cap. Then I'm wearing three thermal leggings, and one joggers. That's what I'm wearing. And that's four underneath with my winter boots and those that winter something that holds the slippery ground. Everything I catched up, I was sweating. But before I decided that okay, let me just make it, I missed the bus. And on Sundays, buses only come per hour. So unlike other days, where buses come maybe every 15 minutes here or sometimes 30 minutes on Saturdays. On Sundays is by hour. Like, I missed the bus for 7:04. The next bus will come by 8:04 and the other by 9:04. So it's like that. If you miss that first hour bus, it's gone. So I have two options now. Either I take Uber to the nearest transit center close to me for $11, and then from there I find my way. Or I pay the $26 for next Saturday training. So I was looking for a way out, checking out the possible routes and I could take that will not make me stand by the road. So anytime I have to wait for a bus, it will be in a transit center. And the transit centers have, they are heated. So I could just stay there. When the bus comes, I come out, I enter the bus. So those are the two options. Let me finish my bread and my tea. And I'll let you guys know if I still took a decision or if I went straight to bed, back to sleep again.
Hello guys, just an update. So I decided to still go. I just got an Uber that will take me to the first transit park and I'm on my way to meet him now. So all covered up. And then if I can record my first aid training, I'm gonna try to do that as much as possible. Hi guys. I don't even know why I'm making this video. You can see how the something is. The visibility is just so poor. Or I don't even know how my boss managed or how people that drive managed to see. Anyways, I'm late for my training because by the time I took a bus, took a train, and by the time I got out there, by the time the train came late, and by the time we got to the station I was to drop off, the bus had left. I was just running to meet the bus and the bus left. So I couldn't walk for 19 minutes. I had to wait for the next bus, which came late. So about 30 minutes late. Make the no verse. Let me just show you what the front looks like. Of course, I'm wearing my gloves. See my face now, my hair now is white. See how the visibility is so poor. Anyways, I'm taking this place now.
Hi guys, I'm back. I just got back. It's the same day that I went for my first aid training, and it's till 7 in the evening. Guys, me that said that I will never cry in this Canada. You know when you hear people talk about how they cry and all of that. Today, I cried, but not of my own free will. The tears came by itself. One of my buses got delayed because I just targeted taking buses from bus stations or the train from the train from bus stations so that I will not be on the road waiting for any bus. But by the time I left where I went to, there is no bus station there, so it was a must I stayed at a bus stop that didn't have shelter. The bus delayed. Was now delayed for extra 4 minutes. I started walking up and down because it helps with the cold, guys. The tears came out on their own accord. I got a new job, and that's why I had to go do this first aid training. So I'll take you along as I prepare for my job. To resume in about 2 weeks. I think this vlog would continue up until I resume my new job. And bye, guys, till the next time. Let me remove all of these things I wore. Hi, guys. I said I was going to bring you guys with me today. Okay, so I'm supposed to go to the African store to get some things I'll be using to cook in preparation for the new week and the new month. It's almost the end of January. However, I decided to come buy my bus pass for February because in the last week in January I'll be very busy. So my February 2024 bus pass. I always have to come here to buy this bus pass because I'm on a discount. I buy this for $35 as against $110. So for me to get this discounted price, I have to come to any accredited center. And also, I just decided to use the opportunity to ask them if my pass for the recreation centers was available. Like as a newcomer, I am eligible to attend to go to any recreation center for a year without paying. And yeah, they said that it's been approved on the 16th of January. So I just have to download an app and then I can go to any recreation center to use any of their facilities for a whole year. Like I'm currently in one of the recreation centers. That was where I came to buy my bus pass, and I'm going to make a video of what they have here, like swimming pool, gym, basketball courts, different things, different facilities. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited really. So I'll be having places to go to during this winter. See you guys at the African store.
Kid Eskimo. All I do is pray. Yeah. All I do is pray and watch God make a way. Make a way. No more stressing over what's out of my control. Yeah, all I do is pray, 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 pray and watch God make a way. He'll make a way. No more worrying about my yesterday. 'Cause my God, he'll make a way. See, I ain't talking about what I heard. Yeah, this one is personal. Many times, oh, I can't forget. I didn't know which way to go. I lost everything, thought I lose my mind, but I called on him. He's a friend of mine. He was right there, never left my side. He stayed with me all the time. Lord, you are my all overall, and I can't repay you.
Hi guys, good morning. It's Monday morning. I know I said I was going to take you guys along. This is my very first lifestyle vlog. It's a continuation of the vlog that I started some time ago. This is Monday morning, and I think today's the 22nd of January, and it's the first day at my new job. It's currently 6:32. Usually my previous job was kind of flexible because if you watched my how I got my job before I landed video, I talked about how the job is not like full-time, but it's something that I love to do. I got hours, but not so many hours that I would have wanted. So I got another job, and today this one is full time. I have 30 minutes. My bus leaves at 6:56, but I have to be at the bus stop at 6:52 so that the bus does not leave me. The bus stop is not far. It's just I'll just come down and walk around the corner, and my bus stop is there. So I just want to quickly. I am set. I'm all set to just put on my socks, wear my boots, and I'm good to go. I have this plate of moi moi that I want to eat. Usually I'll pair this moi moi with pap or custard, but because I don't have so much time and I am a bit of a slow eater, I just will take just the moi moi. I'm already packed. My bags are packed. I packed everything last night, so I am all set to go. When I'm going to the bus, it's still very dark outside because sunrise is at 8:30 thereabouts. When I am all set to go on my way to the bus, I'll just make a short video. Okay guys, I know you cannot see my face, but I'm currently heading to the bus stop. I can just see my bus, it's going to turn, but I mustn't miss that bus. Yeah, it's 6:55 now, and see how everywhere is dark. I start work at 8:30 today, tomorrow 8 a.m. Well, I just had to leave early today. Okay, my bus is almost here. I have to go, and thank God I was able to eat, because in this cold one has to eat very well, else you will always be tired. I've come to discover it's currently -12, which feels like -18. I'll be -22.
I'm one to go higher, Lord. Your spirit and your words, my sword.
Hi guys, so I was supposed to have started this video. Good morning. I was supposed to have started this video before I left the house, but I had to really rush out so I don't miss my bus. It's dark here now. They said the bus would delay, but I don't want to believe them, because sometimes they will say delayed. I hope you can still hear me. Sometimes they will say delayed, then after a while it will change. Then I'll start running kitty kitty kata kata. Let me go and wait for the bus for those 2 minutes. It will be delayed. It's my second day at my new job, and today I'm going much earlier. Yesterday I left at about almost 7 o'clock. Today I'm leaving at 6:10, because yesterday I went to the head office, which is a bit closer. Today's distance is farther, so I need to leave early so that I can get there early. It's in the south and I live in the west. So I'm currently looking for an accommodation so that I don't have to be waking up very early and going through. I'll be taking 3 buses and 1 train before I get to work. I had to leave this very early, so to make room for traffic and maybe any delay on the way, so that I don't get there late and I start giving excuses. I hate giving excuses. Yes guys, so let me go wait for the bus now, which is just a few meters at the bus stop, which is 3 meters away.
I'm asking to give me more of you, and that's how I make it through. More glory, more grace, more power, more faith, more mercy every day, more favor, more your ways.
Mama, I don't think they heard that last one. Please tell them again.
More and more and more and more and more and more of your ways.
Hi guys, it's back 6 o'clock and I just go back home. Yeah, it's still my second day of work. It went well. Like I started the main work today. It went so well. Thanks be to God. I loved it. It's like a shift from what I used to do back home. Almost the same thing, but on a higher level. It went well. Today I left the house early so that I'll get to work early. Guys, I got to work late, like 40 minutes late. I got to that place 30 minutes early, 7:30 to resume work at 8 o'clock. And I went round the circle. I was calling, offices had not resumed. I was leaving voice notes. Thank God, one of the voice notes I left, maybe she resumed 8 o'clock. That was how she called me back. For 30 minutes, me and Google Map, we were just going around circles. For a journey that was supposed to walk for 6 minutes, I just kept going round and round, like a particular place. I just kept going round and round. I'll cross the express, I'll come back. I'll go this way, I'll come back. In the cold. Thank God the cold was not so much, else I would have frozen today. Anyways, I went to work, came back, and I'm glad I have training to do, modules of training to complete, and I have a course, like a virtual course I've been doing that I have 1 month to complete, and that course is like a stepping stone for something that I must apply to. And if I don't do that course early, I would miss out so many things. This weekend I thought I would be able to do all of these things. They called me to go and check a house, to go and view a house. It is well. It is well. It is well. It is well. Today as I was coming back, I entered Molue. Yes, so it's their fine bus here. But it was so full. Any bus that is full, people are standing. Like from the door to the end, it's so full. We are standing and choking. It's Molue. It's Molue. I entered Molue today, but it needs Molue. Anyways, thank you guys. I think I'll be ending this vlog here and I'll start another one. This is my very first lifestyle vlog, so if it goes well, I'll do another vlog, like lifestyle vlog, maybe my moving vlog and all of that, because I'm praying to God I get accommodations. So thank you so very much guys for watching today, and until my next video, bye bye.